9 p.m. right? Let me just see. See, this is my 9 p.m. This is your 11:30 a.m.
11:30.
This is EDT or EST. Okay, so your 11:30 a.m. Okay, if you are free, I want to take a session. Is that fine with you?
Yeah.
Okay, I will ping you before maybe half an hour or maybe 1 hour. Okay, just to because
Okay.
my team also I should let them know because they have to start this, and then we can go ahead. I want to take one extra session for you both so that we complete the loops and something else I have planned. So that way, what happens is we will be ahead of the schedule, and just in case I don't anticipate to take a holiday in the coming week, but just a kind of buffer. So I don't know because my schedule sometimes changes. So I may have to skip a class or one session in the next week. So just to make up that, I want to take one extra session today. Okay, so ideally take it 9 p.m. IST today. Okay, if the class
Okay.
is cancelled, my team will ping you or they will let you know the class is not there. Just half an hour before something.
Okay.
Is that okay?
All right. But
Yeah. What about you,
suggestion.
Satish? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Please go
Instead
ahead.
of instead of using GoToMeeting, can't you use
Um,
the other one?
Skype is what you're saying. No problem.
Not
See,
not
I have
not
no
Skype.
issue. Skype. Generally, I give it through Skype also, like this Skype or even
No.
this one. I have my own link. Whenever I take some special sessions, right? I will give you my link. I will just inform my team also because even they should have a holiday. There is something called Zoom. This is my
Yeah, Zoom. Yeah,
Zoom.
Zoom is
So
better.
let me just log in and see if it is working because this is my Zoom. Zoom is
Zoom is
more,
better.
yeah, Zoom is more clarity. Yeah, Zoom has more clarity.
Mm-hmm.
Because if I take session on Zoom, even I can give holiday to my team. Even they don't need to come actually. This is my
Right.
initiative of taking evening class from Sunday on Sunday just to uh, make up some speed and see like unanticipated holidays we will have, right? We may have, we don't know from my side or from your side. So to make up that, I'm just taking one session ahead. So even my team can enjoy the holiday today. Today is Sunday here. So I can take that on Zoom. If this works, okay, I will just give it. I will inform the matter to my team also. So you, me, and Satish can participate. And if someone of my team wants, they can also join. But I don't want to waste their Sunday, precious day for them. So it is optional. I leave it to their call. But if it is working, I'll give the link. Okay. Just give it a second.
So are you going to send the Zoom?
Yeah. Zoom link. I'm just checking because if it works really, I will give you. It should work actually. Just I'm giving it a quick check. Just a second. It is 42. You are able to see my screen now, sharing? Yeah, my screen is shareable, right? Launching, it's launching. So let's test even with Zoom, no problem. Mm, launching. Yeah. So, Kofi, you're able to follow no? All these classes.
The slides and positive and
Yeah, I
negative
will give you
slides.
once again. No problem.
I didn't
You
get it.
are on and off. Yeah, no problem. I understand. So that's right. I'll give you slicing part. May I have some more examples? I'll give you. So that positive, negative. That also first few minutes I will cover that and go to the next topic. Way it is easier.
Okay. Okay.
So, why it is taking so much time to launch? No, ideally, it should not. Yeah, it's coming. So, launching. So Satish, I think you can also join by 9 o'clock, right? 9 p.m. IST Bangalore. You can. You have any appointments today? Weekend programs, Satish?
Yeah, I can make it before 9 p.m. So no problem, I can join.
No problem. 9 o'clock, right? No. If you have, you
Yeah,
can tell me free, no problem.
yeah,
But
I'll let you know.
ideally, I would
Anyhow, you can.
recommend.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, you can proceed in case if I'm not joining, but 90% I will join.
yeah. Okay, cool. This is taking a while. Wait, let me log in first. Zoom.
I mean, what is this Zoom?
Zoom is a
Meeting, na?
tool like your go-to-meeting. Like, see, for my team to start this go-to-meeting,
Mm,
these people have to be available. Like my team working in the background,
mm,
the
okay.
team organizing team, they should also be available. They should be
Mm,
there. They should start and all that. But
yeah.
Zoom is a. If I send you the link, just you have to click and then it gets started.
Okay,
So
fine.
we can log in that. Should not be a problem. So I have already used that.
Zoom is better. It's better
Yeah,
than
much better.
GoToMeeting.
Yeah. Wait, let me log in. Zoom.in. This is taking a while today. Why? Uh,
Okay, so Ramanamurthy, shall I leave now?
yeah, please. I'll send. I don't have your email. Can you ping me your email,
Yeah.
Satish? Here. So what happens is I can communicate to everyone in the team. You, Kofi, Satish Kumaran 91. Okay. 1 minute. Let me quickly note down. Satish Kumaran 91. Wait. I'll just note so that mention subject. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So wait. 1 minute. Satish, right? SATESHKUMARN. Kumaran. N. Kumaran. This one is so that
RAN.
R
RAN.
A N. Okay, 91.
Mm,
Zoom is now coming. Zoom is now coming. RAN 91. Just a second. RAN 91 at gmail.com. And of course, I have this one. This is AF AKFIFID 2010 at gmail.com.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So I will just email you. Yeah, this is Zoom. Okay. Let me log in once. See, you get this link now. Just click this link in email directly. No need of any passwords or nothing. Just I'll go like this. Share. Okay. Screen. So now you are on Zoom. So here, yeah, Zoom is there. See, you are on Zoom now. I can even do this. Okay. Cool. So like this we can do. I'll just disconnect this one and see what we can do. Okay. Okay. Thanks. And if there is any update, I will email you. Okay. What I have to do is I'll just send this
Hello.
email link to you.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Could
Hello.
you check the spelling of my this one email ID here? SATHEESH.
It's a
My
TH.
email ID.
Oh
Yes, yes,
my God.
yes.
Thank you. It's a T. Say TH. Okay. In the email you
Yeah.
have it. Okay. SATHEESHKUMARAN
Yeah.
91 at gmail.com.
Yes.
Yep. So this one, I will take this off. Right. So perfect. So what I will do is I have to send you like this. So it is my email, for example. Okay. Just I'm giving it for a test. Okay. Email. I will send it to Satish and Satish, and one more is like this. This one. Okay. It's fine. This one.